कंटिन्यूसली बोल रहा है कि ये एक बात की बात है, हमने उनकी टीम को बेवकूफ बनाया था पहले ही, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं।
दूसरा बात यहाँ आगे कैसा लगा यहाँ की आज बड़ी आप आज श्रीनगर कल आप भिड़ेंगे बस इसी याद के साथ, वो भी कोई छोटी टीम नहीं। क्या लगता है चुकर आने में खेलने में खासकर आदिल बाड़ी के तभी नूर लाला हमीद एंड शहनवाज?
जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए बहुत कम है। यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है, यहाँ पे आना चाहिए। ये जो टूर्नामेंट्स यहाँ पे चुकर में हो रहे हैं, बहुत बढ़िया टूर्नामेंट्स हो रहे हैं, यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए।
आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप सभी का और एक बार खैर मुक़दम। इस सेमीफाइनल बड़ा मुकाबला जो कि चुकर रॉयल्स वर्सेस हरदशुरा रेड कैप्स के दरमियान खेला जा रहा है। द टोटल टारगेट इज 187 फॉर चुकर रॉयल्स गिवन बाय हरदशुरा रेड कैप्स। टुडे Faisal Pare, he makes 9 runs in 23 deliveries. Munib Raja 14, Muzaffar Raja very well knocker of Muzaffar Raja 74 runs in 43 deliveries. Umar Hamid 8 run, Nadeem Rasool 6, Umar Bhatt 6, Nasir Sheikh he goes on tuck. Adil Nazir 25 very important runs by Adil Nazir 25 in 11 deliveries. The two batsmen Javed Dar and Ishfaq Dar and all bowling mark. Muzaffar Raja is on bowling mark. So this is the second evening of this semi-final. The total target is 187 runs in 120 deliveries given by Hardashura Red Caps. Javed Dar, he's on strike. Muzaffar Raja, he's on bowling mark. This is the first delivery, very good delivery. This is a great start by Muzaffar Raja. Beat the batsman Javed Dar. No run. Score 187 in 120 deliveries. Chukar Riots need. So this is the first over of run chase. 187 runs. Muzaffar Raja again. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Javed Dar. He opens his account with this 4. Chukar Riots, they have 4 runs on board with the help of this 4. Now they need only 183 runs in 118 deliveries. The team who win this match, they will play tomorrow the final versus YCC Yal. This is Muzaffar Raja again to the batsman Javed Dar. Oh, this is a great delivery, very good delivery by Muzaffar Raja. Beat the batsman. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicket keeper. The score remains on 4 without any loss. Oh, this is again good delivery. The batsman wants to take a single, but great delivery. No run score remains on 4 without any loss. This is the first over of second evening. The total target is 187 runs given by Hardashura Red Caps. Muzaffar Raja, he's on his first over. Javed Dar, he's on 4 runs. Muzaffar again to the batsman Javed Dar. Oh, the batsman wants to hit this bat, but very good delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicket keeper. The score remains on 4 without any loss. Yes, Ashir Habib, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Chukar Royals versus Hardashura Red Caps. First, Hardashura Red Caps, they win the toss and they decided to bat first after 20 overs. They give the total target of 187 runs for Chukar Royals. Now they need 183 runs in 115 deliveries. The team who win this match, they will qualify for finals tomorrow. This is a good shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good play, but missed by the fielder. Ball raised the boundary. This is also no ball, free hit given by the umpire. The score moves to 9 without any loss. Tomorrow, the big day, final day, fun day of this T20 Super Cup. Played tomorrow, inshallah, after 10 a.m. Yal, YCC Yal versus the team who win this match. They will play tomorrow the final against YCC Yal. This is Muzaffar Raja, is again. Oh, this is great delivery, very good delivery by Muzaffar Raja. Beat the batsman Javed Dar. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicket keeper. The score remains on 8 after 1 over. Chukar Riots, they need 178 in 114 deliveries now, and they have 10 wickets in hand. Tomorrow will be the fun day, Sunday, the super day of this T20 Super Cup, the final day of this T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The team who win this match today, the semi-final between Hardishura Red Caps versus Chukar Riders, they will qualify for the finals of this T20 Super Cup. Tomorrow he will play with YCC Yal. Now the new bowler is Umar Hamid is the new bowler. He is on his first over. This is the second over of second inning. Oh, this is good start by bowler. Very good to repeat the batsman Ishfaqi. The ball goes into the gloves of the wicket keeper. The score remains on 9 without any loss. This is Umar Hamid. He is a very young, talented bowler of Hardishura Red Caps. He is again on his bowling mark to the captain Ishfaqi. Oh, this is again good to read the two batsmen. Here's a chance, but very good running between the wickets. The two batsmen complete only a single. With the single, the score moves to 9-10 without any loss. This is second over in the process. Now Javed Dar, he take a single here. Javed, he is on strike. Oh, here's a chance of a catch, but missed it by wicketkeeper. The ball goes far. The two batsmen wants to take a single, but very good fielding at the end. The score remains on 10 without any loss. Nadeem Dar, Umar Hamid, he is again to the batsman Javed. Here's a chance of a catch, but this is no man's land. The two batsmen wants to 2 runs here. Here's misfielding. The two batsmen take 2 runs. The score on board is 12 without any loss. Umar Hamid again. Oh, this is good delivery again. Here's a chance, but well tried by the bowler Umar Hamid. The score remains on 12 after 1.5 overs. This is the last delivery of second over. The total target is 186 for Chukar Riders. They need 175 in 109 deliveries. It's a high voltage match. Oh, this is again good delivery. End of 2 overs. The score is 12 without any loss. Thank you, Philal KDM, for joining us with this live broadcast. The score is 12 without any loss after 2 overs. Now Adil Hamid. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman, but at the end, this is a good fielding. The two batsmen, the batsman wants to take 2 runs. Here is a good running between the wickets. There is a yes, no, but the two batsmen complete 2 runs after 2.1. The score on board is 14 without any loss. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need 187 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the finals. This is again Adil Hamid. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन इशफाक के बल्ले से. The score moves to 18 without any loss. This is great shot played by the batsman, the captain of this team, Ishfaq. He moves to 6. The partnership moves to 18 in 15 deliveries. Chukar Riders, they need 169 in 106 to win this match to qualify in the finals. This is again Adil Hamid. Oh, here is good delivery. Very good. Here is the appeal. But this is extra runs for Chukar Riders. The score moves to 18 without any loss. This is a great delivery by Adil Hamid. These are extra runs for Chukkar Royals. Adil Hamid again to the batsman Ishfaq Javedar. Oh, this is missed by wicketkeeper. Bounce wide and also buys 4 for Chukkar Royals. These are extra runs for Chukkar Royals. Here the players of Hardishpur Red Caps, they need to be stop these extra runs because this is a semi-final. The team who win this match, they will play tomorrow against the YCCL, the big match, final match of this T20 Super Cup. Tomorrow is the big day, Sunday, fun day, the final day of this T20 Super Cup. This is again Adil Hamid to the batsman Javedar. Oh, this is again good shot played by the batsman. Ball raised the boundary. Thandan आता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन जावेद के बल्ले से. The score moves to 28 without any loss. This is a great shot played by the batsman. Chukkar Royals, they need 155 in 104 deliveries and they have 10 wickets in hand. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस मुकाबले का, इस सेमीफाइनल का घर बैठे मजा ले। दिस इज अगेन आदिल हमीद टू द बैट्समैन जावेदार, ही इज ऑन 14. आदिल हमीद अगेन, Javedar is on. Oh, Dande Bahar, Javedar ke. Oh, this is the first wicket. Umar Hamid, very good delivery. Clean bowled Javedar. Javedar lost his first wicket. He make only 14 runs. Chukkar Royals, they lost their first wicket in the shop of Javedar. And Adil Hamid, he take his first wicket in his first over. This is great delivery by Adil Hamid. The score on board is 32 for the loss of 1. Aftab Ilahi, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Aftab Ilahi, the total target is 186-87 for Chukkar Royals. This is a very well knock of 72 runs by Muzaffar Raja today. Now Chukkar Royals, they need 155 in 103 deliveries. The new batsman is Sajjad. Dwaitra, 32. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। दिस इज हाई वोल्टेज मैच का सेमीफाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स Chukkar Royals versus Hardishpur Red Caps. Tomorrow is the final day of this T20 Super Cup. The team who win this match, he will qualify for the final. This is again, here is good delivery again by Nadeem Adil Hamid. This is totally no run. Score remains on 32 for the loss of 1 after 3 overs. This is a good comeback by the bowler Adil Hamid. Mashok Wani Gulmark, captain out. Thank you Mashok Wani Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. इस live broadcast को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा share करें. This is semi-final at Chukkar Tulba ground between Chukkar Royals versus Hardishpur Red Caps. The team who win this match will qualify for the finals. Tomorrow is the final day of this T20 Super Cup. YCCL versus the team who win this match. Ashik Yetu, Lala ko committee ko thank you. Ashik Yetu Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Umar Hamid again. He's on his second over. In his first over, he gave only 2 runs. Now he's again to the batsman Ishfaq Ji. The new batsman is Sajjad on non-strike end. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन. इशफाक ठीक है पहले से. The score moves to 36 for the loss of 1. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here because they lost early 1 wicket. They have a huge total of 187 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the final. This again Umar Hamid. Oh, this again good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन. इशफाक ठीक है पहले से. The score moves to 42 for the loss of 1. Ishfaq, he moves to 16 in 7 deliveries. Now Chukar Royals, they need 145 in 100 deliveries. $145 in 100 deliveries, and they have 9 wickets in hand. This is Umar Hamid. He is again on his bowling mark. एक बड़ा मुकाबला दो बड़े टीमों के दरमियान चुकर के इस हसीन तुलबा ग्राउंड में खेला जा रहा है. सेमीफाइनल कल इस टूर्नामेंट का फाइनल खेला जाएगा. YCC याल और again Umar Hamid. Oh, this is a big wicket for Hardashura Red Caps. Wicket of captain Ishfaq T. This is great delivery by Umar Hamid and take the wicket of Ishfaq T. Chukar Royals, now they are in trouble here. They lost their second wicket in the shape of Ishfaq T. This is great delivery, clean ball, dande bahar kiye Ishfaq T. The score moves to 42 for the loss of 2. This is great delivery, very good delivery by Umar Hamid. He takes his first wicket in the second over. Now the new batsman is GM. He is the new batsman for Chukar Royals. आज संभाल के खेलना होगा GM मीर को. आज कंधों पे सेमीफाइनल GM के कंधों पे आज मैच है. आज दिखाना होगा. He is one of the senior most cricketer of this Chukar Royals. कहाँ पास में उगनी ना यार शुक्रिया उगनी मत भाग लोगों Dai ji. Bani var bir dai ji. Dai ji. Bega ne bir teyiş. Skor asal magar hit tape pe. İta ismas, ita ismas. Değişen ho kya? Yaş mobile ka kone na. Sabah tena ka camera kinna. Oh, this is again good delivery by Umar Hamid. Beat the batsman, ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. This is GM on strike, the new batsman for Chukar Royals. He is one of the most senior cricketer of this team. आज संभाल के खेला होगा कंधों पर आज सेमीफाइनल. Is Umar Hamid again to the batsman GM. Oh, again good delivery, very good delivery. The batsman wants to take a single, but very good fielding at the end. No run score remains on 42 at the loss of 2. This is good comeback by the bowlers of Hardashura Red Caps. Chukar Royals, they need 145 in 97 deliveries. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए which team will qualify in the finals tomorrow, the big day finally of this T20 Super Cup. Again good delivery, beat the batsman, ball goes into the gloves of wicket keeper. The score remains on 42 for the loss of 2. This is end of 4 overs. एक बड़ा मुकाबला सेमीफाइनल दो बड़े टीमों के दरमियान खेला जा रहा है. इस हसीन ग्राउंड चुकर के तुलबाग में खेला जा रहा है. The total target is 187 runs for Chukar Royals, but this is a very good start for the bowlers by the bowlers of Hardashura Red Caps. They take early 2 wickets. The wicket of Ishfaq T and Javed Dar, the openers, they lost their wickets. Now Chukar Royals, they need 145 in 96 deliveries and they have 8 wickets in hand. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. दिस इज हाई वोल्टेज मैच सेमीफाइनल बिटवीन Hardashura Red Caps versus Chukar Royals. The two new batsmen GM Mir and Sajjad. They are a new हमीद साहब इंशाल्लाह शुक्र विल विन. Thank you Hamid साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए which team will be qualified for the finals. The final will be played tomorrow. YCC Yal versus the team who win this match today. Sajad is on strike. Oh, गोली के रफ्तार से गेंद. This is great delivery by Adil Hamid. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज सजाद को. The score remains on 42 for the loss of 2. This is 5th over in process. Adil Hamid again to the batsman Sajad. He's on strike. Oh, this is great delivery. What a delivery by Adil Hamid. He takes his second wicket. डंडे बाहर किए सजाद के. 2 विकेट चटकाए आदिल हमीद ने. Chukkar Riders, they lost their 3rd wicket in the shape of Sajad. Now Chukkar Riders, they are in trouble here. They lost the 3rd wicket of Sajad. Chukkar Riders, they are in trouble here. They need 145 in 94 deliveries and they have 7 wickets in hand. The new batsman Sajad, the senior player of this Chukkar Riders, आज संभाल के खेलना होगा because they are in trouble here. मुश्किलात में Chukkar Riders इस वक्त. They lost 3 wickets. They have only 42 runs on board. This is great bowling by Adil Hamid and Umar Hamid. Adil Hamid, he take his 2nd wicket and also Umar Hamid, he take 1 wicket. So this is a good comeback by the bowlers of Hardashura Red Caps. They are in a driving seat here. This is again Adil Hamid to the new batsman Sajad. Oh, this is a single here. The 2 batsmen take a single. Sajad, he opens the account with this single. The score moves to 43 for the last of 3. आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए which team will be qualified in the final. This is again Adil to the batsman GM. Oh, the batsman wants to take a single. Here is a chance of a wicket, but missed it. This is a great fielding by the fielder. The 2 batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 44 for the last of 3. The 2 batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need to stay here. They need a partnership because they lost early 3 wickets. This is again Adil Hamid to the batsman Sajad. Plays a shot. Very good fielding. तारीफ करनी होगी इस fielder. Very good fielding at the end by the fielder. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे रन सूखे पड़ गए. The score remains on 44 for the last of 3. This is the last delivery of 5th over. Adil Hamid. He's again on his last delivery to the batsman Sajad. Oh, this is again good shot, but at the end very good fielding. The batsman wants to take a single. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेला होगा दोनों बल्लेबाजों को. विकेट भी बचानी होगी. After 5 overs, the score is 44 for the last of 3. Chukkar Riders, they need 143 in 90 deliveries. Swayta ji. अगर हम बात करेंगे आज हरदशुरा के बल्लेबाजों की, फैसल अशरफ 29 रन, मुनीर राजा 14 रन, मुजफ्फर राजा very well luck of 74 runs in 43 deliveries, Umar Hamid 8 runs, Nadeem Rasool 6, Umar Bhatt 6. After 5 overs, the score is 44 for the last of 3. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Hardashura Red Caps. They are in the driving seat. Chukkar Riders required 143 in 90 deliveries. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए which team will be qualified in the finals tomorrow, the big day, final day of this T20 Super Cup. YCC Yal versus the team who win this match. Now the new bowler is Nadeem Rasul Sheikh, the new bowler. He is one of the talented senior cricketer of Hardashura Red Caps. He's on his first over. Oh, here's a bail. Very good delivery, very good delivery. It's out given by the umpire. This is great delivery. And he takes first wicket on his first delivery. Chukar Riders, they are in trouble here. They lost their fourth wicket in the shape of GM. दाद देनी होगी इस बॉलर नदीम शेख की. He take first wicket on his first delivery. He is one of the most senior player of this team. Cool and calm player. He take first wicket on his first delivery. So Chukar Riders, they are in trouble situation here. They lost their fourth wicket and they have only 44 runs on board. एक अच्छी गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा आज हरदशुरा रेड कैप्स के दौरान. कल फाइनल मैच इस T20 का खेला जाएगा. YCCL versus the team who win this match will qualify for the finals. Now the new batsman Bilal AB is on strike. 143 in 89 deliveries and they have 6 wickets and very good comeback by the bowlers of Hardashura Red Caps. They are in driving seat now. This is again Nadeem Rasul Sheikh. Oh, again good delivery, very good delivery. संभाल के खेला होगा इस गेंदबाज को. He is one of the senior talented cricketer of Hardashura Red Caps. He is again Nadeem to the batsman Bilal AB, the new batsman. Oh, again good delivery, very good delivery. The batsman wants to take a single. Dot delivery, no run score. Remains on 44 for the last of 4. This is the 6th over in process. Chukar Riders, they are in trouble here. This is again Nadeem to the batsman Bilal. Oh, again good delivery, very good delivery by Nadeem. He is a cool and calm player of Hardashura Red Caps. He is much more talent in bowling and batting. Today he make only 6 runs, but this is great bowling by Nadeem. He take first wicket on his first delivery. He is again to the batsman Bilal. Oh, here's the chance of a catch, but this is no man's land. एक मौका बनता था, दूसरा मौका बनता था इस ओवर का, लेकिन this is luck for the batsman Bilal. Very good delivery by Nadeem. यहाँ पे और एक मौका बनता था. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा बल्लेबाज बिलाल एबी को और सजाद को. विकेट भी बचाने होंगे, रन भी लेने होंगे, because they are in trouble here. They lost early 4 wickets. आज खचाखच ग्राउंड भरा हुआ है तमाशेरों से. This is again Nadeem. He's on his last delivery. Oh, this is again good delivery. Very good. Here's the appeal, but cannot impress the umpire. This is maiden over by Nadeem. Very good over by Nadeem. And take one crucial wicket. This is the end of 6 overs. 44 for the last of 4. Zaite ji. Zor. Zor. Zaite ji. अब इन दो बल्लेबाजों को यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा. एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप करनी होगी, because they are in trouble situation here. They lost early 4 wickets. They need 143 runs in 84 deliveries. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का सेमीफाइनल्स का घर बैठे मजा ले. आज खचाखच भरा हुआ है ग्राउंड. तमाम टीमों से अपने अपने टीम्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज सेमीफाइनल मैच ऑफ दिस T20 सुपर कप. टुमारो द फाइनल YCCL versus the team who win this match. This is again this is good delivery. शाहरुख खान ने चिट किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज को, बीट किया. Muzaffar Raja, he is on his second over to the batsman Sajad. The score remains on 44 for the last of 4. This is 7th over in process. संभाल के खेलना होगा, विकेट बचाने होंगे, पार्टनरशिप देने होंगे इन दो बल्लेबाजों को, सजाद और बिलाल को, because they lost their early 4 wickets here. They need 143 in 84 deliveries. This is again Muzaffar Raja. Oh, this is chance of a catch, but this is no man's land. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, but there is misfielding. The two batsmen complete 2 runs. 46 for the last of 4. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए कौन सी टीम इस टीम मैच में जीत दर्ज कर पाएगी और कल YCC याल के खिलाफ फाइनल खेलेगी. दिस इज अगेन मुजफ्फर राजा टू द बैट्समैन सजाद. Oh, this is again Kotirri. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 45 for the loss of 4. Muzaffar Raja की बात करेंगे. He plays very well knocked today. 74 runs in 40 deliveries. He is one of the young talented cricketer and aggressive of Hardashura Red Caps. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal Abi, the new batsman. Oh, this is good shot. Very good shot played by the batsman. Ball raised the boundary. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन बिलाल एबी के बल्ले से. He opens the account with this 4. The score moves to 51 for the loss of 4. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership. They need to stay here because they lost early 4 wickets. This is again Muzaffar Raja to the batsman Bilal. Oh, this is again a good shot, but at the end the two batsmen take only a single. With this single, the score moves to 52 for the loss of 4. This is the 7th over in process. 135 in 79 deliveries. Chukkar Royals, they have 6 wickets in hand. This is again Muzaffar Raja to the batsman Sajjad. Oh, again good delivery, very good delivery. This is short delivery. Good comeback by Muzaffar Raja. After 7 overs, the score is 52 for the loss of 4. Duanza. Now Nadeem again. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman, but only a single. Oh, here is misspelling. The two batsmen take only a single. Nadeem Rasool, he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Sajjad. He is on 4. Oh, this is again good delivery. Very good delivery. The two batsmen take only a single. With this single, the score moves to 53 for the loss of 4. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेला होगा, विकेट बचानी होगी because they lost early 4 wickets here. They need 135 in 78 delivery. This is again Nadeem to the batsman Bilal. Oh, this is again good delivery. Here's chance of wicket. Oh, this is great Kirby. Very good fielding at the end by the fielder. And Hardashura, they lost their 5th wicket. यहाँ तमाशगिरू बहुत ही खुश अपने टीम को सपोर्ट करते हुए. Hardashura, they are in driving seat here. Now they take 5th wicket in the shape of Bilal. Very good fielding. Here was no run, but this is pressure game, semi-final between the two teams. Now Chukkar Royals, they are in trouble here. The new batsman Kaisar Dar अब संभाल के खेला होगा because they lost now 5th wicket. रन लेने की सूरत में अपना विकेट गवाया बिलाल एबी ने. Now Chukkar Royals, they are in trouble here. They lost their 5th wicket in the shape of Bilal Abi. अगर हम बात करेंगे हरदोशुरा रेड कैप्स की, they are in driving seat here. They need 5 wickets to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the finals. Tomorrow, the big day, final day, the fun day, the Sunday, and the full day tomorrow. Final of this T20 Super Cup. YCC Yal versus the team who qualify in the finals today. This is again Nadeem. Oh, this is again good delivery by Nadeem to the batsman Sajjad. Dot delivery. The score remains on 54 for the loss of 5. This is a good bowling by the bowlers of Red Caps. Especially Nadeem, he takes his first wicket on his first delivery. Oh, this is again good delivery. The batsman plays a shot for a single. The two batsmen take only a single. यहाँ दोनों बल्लेबाजों की बात करेंगे तो संभाल के खेलना होगा, रोक के खेलना होगा because they have 13 overs remaining in this evening. Partnership बनानी होगी. This is a pressure game. This is a semi-final. Now the new batsman Kaisar Dar. He is on strike. Nadeem to Kaisar. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन. Kaisar Dar, he opens his account with this 4. The score moves to 58 for the loss of 1. The two brothers on ground, Sajjad Dar and Kaisar, are the two batsmen for Chukar Riders. Kaisar, he opens his account with his 4. Sajjad, he is on not strike and on 6. आज ग्राउंड खचाखच भरा हुआ है तमाशगीरों से, अपने अपने टीम्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं. बट अगर हम बात करेंगे हरदुशरा रेड कैप्स की, दे आर इन ड्राइविंग सीट हियर. दे टेक अर्ली 5 विकेट्स. द स्कोर ऑन बोर्ड इज 59 आफ्टर 8 overs. Now this is the 9th over in process. The score is 59 for the loss of 5. Sajjad is on strike. He is on 6. 128 in 72 deliveries, and they have 5 wickets in hand. The two batsmen Kaisar Dar and Sajjad Dar. Adil Hamid. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Sajjad Dar. Ball raised the boundary. This is 6 for the batsman Sajjad. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन सजाद के बल्ले से. आज सजाद के कंधों पर ये सेमीफाइनल, because they lost early 5 wickets. They need partnership. They need to be stay here. They need 123 runs, 122 in 71 deliveries. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the finals of this T20 Super Cup. The final day tomorrow. YCC Yal versus the team who will win this match. They will play tomorrow against YCC Yal. This is again Adil Hamid to the batsman Sajjad. Oh, again here's chance. Very good fielding at the end by the fielder Adil Hamid. Dot delivery, no run. This is a great comeback by the bowler Adil Hamid. The score remains on 65 for the loss of 5. This is 9th over. 122 in 70 deliveries. This is again Adil Hamid to the batsman Sajjad. Oh, this is great delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicket keeper. This is again Adil Hamid to the batsman Sajjad. Oh, दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन सजाद के बल्ले से. This is great shot played by the batsman Sajjad. He need to be cool and calm because they lost early 5 wickets. The partnership moves to 17 in 7 deliveries. The score moves to 71 for the loss of 5. This is again Adil Hamid to the batsman Sajjad. He is on 18. Oh, this is good comeback by the bowler. The two batsmen take only a single. With this single, the score moves to 72 for the loss of 5. This is the last delivery of this over. Adil Hamid again to the batsman Kaisar Dar. This is again good delivery. Dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 72 for the loss of 5 after 9 overs. अगर हम बात करेंगे चुकर राइडर्स के, जावेद डार he make only 14 runs, Ishfaq D only 16. Sajjad he is on he lost his wicket on tuck. Jiam Mir he also without any run. Sajjad he is on not out on 19. Bilal AB he make only 6 runs. Kaisar Dar he is on non-strike end. Now 115 runs in 66 deliveries and they have 5 wickets in hand. Now Adil Nadeem Rasool again. Nadeem, he's on his 3rd over to the batsman Sajjad. Very good delivery, no run. Score remains on 72 for the loss of 5. This is the 10th over in process. नदीम की बात करेंगे तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा कर 2 ओवर में 7 रन खर्च करके 1 विकेट चटकाई। दिस इज ग्रेट डिलीवरी, डंडे बाहर किए यहाँ पे सजाद के नदीम रसूल शेख, ही इज अगेन वेरी गुड डिलीवरी, ही टेक हिज सेकंड विकेट, द बिग विकेट ऑफ सजाद डार। Chukkar Royals, they lost their 6th wicket in the shape of Sajjad. This is good comeback by Nadeem Rasool Sheikh. He is one of the great cricketer, talented. He take 2 wickets now. Chukkar Royals, they are in trouble here. क्लीन बोल्ड किया यहाँ पे, डंडे बाहर किए सजाद डार के। नाउ चुक्कर रॉयल्स की बात करेंगे, अब मुश्किलात में तमाशगिरों से खचाखच ग्राउंड भरा हुआ है। This is semi-final today. Tomorrow, the Sunday, final day of this T20 Super Cup. YCC Yal versus the team who win this match. They will qualify for the finals. Tomorrow, the team who win, they will play tomorrow with against YCC Yal. The new batsman is Kamran Butt. This is a pressure cam semi-final between Chukkar Royals versus Hardashura Red Caps. But this is a great bowling by Nadeem Rasool Sheikh. In 2.2 overs, 1 maiden, 7 runs, 2 wickets. Now he is again to the new batsman Kamran Butt. Oh, this is again good delivery, very good delivery. Here is a appeal, but cannot impress the umpire, refuse the umpire. This is a dot delivery, no run score remains on 72 for the loss of 6. This is a Kamran Butt on strike. Nadeem Rasool again. Oh, again, very good delivery. Here is a appeal, but the umpire refuses his appeal. The score remains on 72 for the loss of 6. Chukkar Royals, they are in a trouble situation here. They lost early 6 wickets. Nadeem again to the batsman Kamran Butt. Oh, this is again dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 72 for the loss of 6. आरिफ भट्ट आदिल हमीद ने कितने विकेट लिए? थैंक यू आरिफ भट्ट साहब फॉर जॉइनिंग अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट। अगर हम आदिल हमीद की बात करेंगे तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मज़ा रहा। 3 ओवर 29 रन खर्च करके 2 विकेट चटकाए आदिल हमीद ने। नाउ दिस इज नदीम रसूल शेख अगेन टू द बैट्समैन, अगेन गुड डिलीवरी, बीट द बैट्समैन। शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज कामरान भट्ट को। दिस इज एंड ऑफ 10 overs. The score is 72 for the loss of 6. अगर हम गेंदबाजी की बात करेंगे तो अच्छी गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा आज हरदशुरा रेड कैप्स के दौरान, बट दिस इज आल्सो वेरी वेल लॉक्ड प्लेड बाय Muzaffar Raja. 74 runs in 43 deliveries with the help of 7-4 and 6 huge 6. Hardashura Red Caps, they are in driving situation here. They are in driving seat. They need only 4 wickets to win this match to qualify in the finals. Play tomorrow the final against YCC Yal. Now this is again the Kamran Butt Kaisadar strike. This is good shot. London आता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर. This is the huge 6 of this match by Kaisadar. This is again good shot played by the batsman. He opens his account with the 6. The score moves to 78 for the loss of 6. 78. That's like how score. This is also no ball given by the umpire and also free hit for Chukkar Royals. Kaisadar, he is on 10 runs. Oh, here's a chance of a catch. Missed by wicketkeeper. This is a lock for the batsman Kaisadar. एक और मौका बनता था लेकिन खवा बैठे Muzaffar Raja. He is on his 3rd over. The score on board is 79 for the loss of 6. This is Muzaffar Raja again to the batsman Kaiser. He is on 10. Oh, the batsman wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery by Muzaffar Raja. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. The score remains on 79 for the loss of 6. अगर हम इस बल्लेबाज की बात करेंगे तो इस बल्लेबाज की बात करेंगे मुजफ्फर कैसर डार. If this batsman will sit in 4 or 5 overs, this will be different. This again to the batsman. Here's no ball again given by the umpire. The score moves to 80 for the loss of 6. Muzaffar Raja again to the batsman Kaiser Dar. The score 80 on board for the loss of 6. Oh, this is again Shiny Shaukat Shukar Royals open play. Some players do not even deserve to be in the play. So thank you, Shiny Shaukat Saf, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Muzaffar Raja again to the batsman Kaiser Dar. Oh, this is Salawaturi. Very good comeback by the bowler Muzaffar Raja. Beat the batsman. The score remains on 80 for the loss of 6. आज खचाखच भरा हुआ है ग्राउंड अपने अपने टीम्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. Chukar Royals, they are in trouble here. Muzaffar Raja again to the batsman Kaiser Dar. This is a miss. Oh, this is great. This is wide given by the umpire, but great fielding at the end by third keeper. जहां 4 होना था वहां पे रन बचाए थर्ड कीपर ने. Muzaffar Raja again to the batsman Kaiser. Oh, this is again good shot. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन Kaiser Dar के बल्ले से. The score moves to 85 for the loss of 6. This batsman need to be cool and calm. Kaiser Dar आज संभाल के खेलना होगा क्योंकि मुश्किलात में है चुकर रॉयल्स की टीम. They lost early 6 wickets here. They needed 102 runs in 56 deliveries. Sheshir. Skor leert dan, leert. Skor leert kızım. This is again. Oh, this is no ball. This is no ball given by the umpire. Here is a luck for the batsman Kaiser Dar. Chukar Royals. They need 102 in 56 deliveries. यहाँ एक किस्मत की बात करेंगे तो Kaiser Dar is in Kaiser Dar is on 14. Now Chukar Royals, they need 101 in 56 deliveries and they have 4 wickets in hand. Muzaffar Raja is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaiser Dar. Oh, this is a good comeback by the bowler Muzaffar Raja. No run, score remains on 86 for the loss of 6. This is again Muzaffar Raja to the batsman Kaiser. Kaiser wants to hit this ball. This is great delivery, very good delivery. End of 11 overs. The score is 86 for the loss of 6. आज तमाशगिरों से खचाखच ग्राउंड भरा हुआ है तमाशगिरों के से अपने अपने टीम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं. This is again the new bowler is Nadeem. Great fielding at the end by Adil Nazir. The score remains on 86 for the loss of 6. Kamran Bhatt on strike. Oh, this is a good delivery again by Nadeem Rasool. This is a great shot played by the batsman, but at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen take only a single. Oh, Tawfiq, go! Yeah, Kazan. The score on board is 87 for the loss of 6. Oh, this is again good delivery. The two batsmen, good. The two batsmen take only a single. With this single, the score moves to 88 for the loss of 6. Now, Chukar Royals, they need 99 runs in 50 deliveries, but they lost 6 wickets. They have 4 wickets in hand. This is Kaisar Dar on Kamran Bhatt on strike. Oh, this is very good delivery by Nadeem. He's on his last over. Dar delivery, no run score. Remains on 88 for the loss of 6. Nadeem Rasool again to the batsman Kamran Bhatt. Oh, again good delivery. The batsman wants to take a single, but very good fielding at the end. Dot delivery, no run score. Remains on 88 for the loss of 6 after 12 overs. Now 48 deliveries, 99 runs, and they have 4 wickets in hand. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए which team will be qualified in the finals of this T20 Super Cup, the final between YCCL versus the team who qualify for the finals in this match. Tomorrow is the fun day, Sunday, the final day of this T20 Super Cup. आज खचाखच भरा हुआ है तुलबाग का हसीन ग्राउंड. अपने अपने टीम्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं. But this team Chukar Royals, they are in trouble here. They lost early 6 wickets. Now they need 99 runs in 48 deliveries, and they have 4 wickets in hand. Message Maza. Zahid Harshura, thank you Zahid for joining us with this live broadcast. अगर हम बात करेंगे Harshura की तो they are in driving seat here. They take only 6 wickets. Now Adil Hamid is again on his bowling mark. To the batsman Kaisar Dar. The total run 99 in 48 deliveries. Which team will be qualified in the finals? This will be seen after 48 deliveries. Now Umar Hamid is again on his bowling mark. To the batsman, he's on his third over. To the batsman Kaisar. This is wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 89 for the loss of 6. Now 98 in 48 deliveries. This is a high voltage match, semi-final between Chukar Royals versus Hardashura Red Caps. Umar Hamid again to the batsman Kaisar Dar. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua seema rekha se bahar 6 run Kaisar Dar ke balle se. This batsman has very well quality of, he has much more talent. He is powerful, talented batsman Kaisar Dar. He moves to 21 in 13 deliveries. Now they need 92 in 47 deliveries. This partnership moves to 23 in 20. If this batsman Kaisar Dar will sit in 4 or 5 overs, everything will be possible for Chukar Royals, because he is one of the talented, young, energetic and powerful batsmen for Chukar Royals. He need to be cool and calm. He need to be sitting here. They need a partnership here. They need, because they lost early 6 wickets. Kaisar Dar, he is on 21. This is Umar Hamid again to the batsman Kaisar. Oh, again. This is great shot. Quality shot. Played by the batsman. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se baar 6 run Kaisar Dar ke balle se. This is great hit by the batsman. I also tell you this batsman is very powerful talent, great talent, aggressive batsman. If this batsman will sit in 4 or 5 overs, everything will be possible for Chukkar Royals. The score moves to 101 for the loss of 6. Now 86 in 46 deliveries. This is a high voltage match, semi-final between the two teams. The Kaisar Dar, he moves to 27 in 14 deliveries. The partnership moves to 29 in 21. Umar Hamid, he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar Dar. आज खचाखच भरा हुआ है ग्राउंड, अपने अपने टीमों को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं. 86 in 46 deliveries and they have 4 wickets in hand. Which team will be qualified in the finals of this T20 Super Cup? आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. This is Umar Hamid again to the batsman Kaisar. Oh, this is good comeback, very good comeback by the bowler Umar Hamid. Beat the batsman Kaisar Dar. Dot delivery, no run, score remains on 101 for the loss of 6. 86 in 46 deliveries. 45 deliveries. This is Umar Hamid again to the batsman Kaisar. Oh, again, good delivery. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 101 for the loss of 6. Now 44 deliveries, 86 runs, and they have 4 wickets in hand. This is again Umar Hamid to Kaisar. Oh, here's a chance of a catch. But very good fielding at the end by Adil Nazir. The two batsmen take only a single. With this single, the score moves to 102 for the loss of 6. So this is Umar Hamid, Kamran Bhatt on strike. Again, good to the butt with his wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 103 for the loss of 6. Now 84 in 43 deliveries. Which team will qualify in the finals? आप जरूर comment section में लिखिए. This is again Umar Hamid to the batsman Kamran Bhatt. He is on 1. Again, good delivery. The two batsmen take a single. This is great running between the wickets by the two batsmen Kamran Bhatt and Kaisar Dar. The score moves to 104 for the loss of 6. Now 83 in 42 deliveries. Dvaitajan Treshit. Treshit. एक बड़ा मुकाबला सेमीफाइनल दो बड़े टीमों के दरमियान चुक्कर रॉयल्स वर्सेस हरदशुरा रेड कैप्स के दरमियान. First red caps they win the toss and they give the target of 187. But this is great bowling by the bowlers of Hardashura red caps. They take early 6 wickets. Now the two batsmen Kaisar Dar and Kamran Bhatt. The partnership is on 32 and 25 deliveries. They need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership if they want to win this match. If they want to take this team in the finals. Tomorrow the final, the big day, fun day of this T20 Super Cup. YCC Yal versus the team who win this match. They will play tomorrow against YCC Yal. Дайте же трещит. Now Adil Nazir, he's on his first over. To the batsman Kamran Bhatt on strike. Oh, this is a chance of a catch here. Oh, this is the end of the wicket. Kamran Bhatt, he lost his wicket. The partnership goes on. Very good delivery. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा आदिल नजीर के दौरान ही टेक फर्स्ट विकेट ऑन हिज फर्स्ट डिलीवरी द विकेट ऑफ Kamran Butt Chukar Royals they lost their 7th wicket in the shape of Kamran Butt now Chukar Royals they are in trouble situation here they need 83 in 42 deliveries and they have 4 wickets in hand 3 wickets in hand एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे आदिल नजीर के दौरान ही टेक फर्स्ट विकेट ऑन हिज फर्स्ट डिलीवरी दिस इज गुड कम बैक बाय द बॉलर आदिल नजीर आज खचाखच भरा हुआ है यहाँ पे ग्राउंड 7 now the new batsman is Junaid is the new batsman 104 for the loss of 7 83 in 41 deliveries and they have only 3 wickets in hand this is a high voltage match semi-final pressure camp but दांत देने होंगे इन बॉलर्स की they take early wickets now the new batsman Junaid is on strike Adil Nazir again oh this is wide I think this is wide given by the umpire the score moves to 105 for the loss of 7 now 82 in 41 deliveries आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए which team will qualify in the finals tomorrow the big day final day of this T20 this is again good delivery dot delivery score remains on 105 for the loss of 7 this is Adil Nazir he take first wicket on his first over on his first delivery he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid oh this is a great shot and very good fielding the two batsmen take only a single Junaid he opens the account the score moves to 106 for the loss of 7 now 81 in 39 deliveries Adil Nazir he's again on his fourth delivery to the batsman Kaisar Dar he's on 48 oh here's a chance of a catch but this is no man's land the score remains on 106 यहाँ एक मौका बनता था लेकिन फील्डर कोई फील्डर वहां पे तैनात नहीं था this is Adil Nazir he's again great delivery by Adil the score remains on 106 for the loss of 7 Adil Nazir again to the batsman Kaisar oh this is again wide given by the umpire the score moves to 107 for the loss of 7 now 80 runs in 38 deliveries Zahid Siddi thank you Zahid Siddi साहब joining us Majid Bilal sir ये तो आप ये लाइव ठीक करो this is again Adil Nazir oh this is a chance here for the ball raised the boundary this is 4 for the batsman Kaisar Dar with this score the score moves to 111 for the loss of 7 देखो तमाशगीर दूर दूर से आए हैं इस मैच को इस बड़े मुकाबले को देखने के लिए चुकर रॉयल्स वर्सेस Hattusura Red Caps the semi-final of this T20 Super Cup big match this is again Adil Nazir to the batsman Kaisar Dar he is on oh this is again good shot played by the batsman but at the end very good fielding the two batsmen take only a single with this single the score moves to 108 for the loss of 7 108 for the loss of 7 now 79 in 37 deliveries this is the last delivery of Adil Nazir this is again good delivery by Adil Nazir dot delivery no runs score remains on 108 after 14 overs आज दांत देने होंगे इन गेंदबाजों के because they take early 7 wickets now Chukar Royals they need 79 in 36 deliveries
Left side. औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कब आसान मुकाबला है T20 सुपर कार एडिशन गुलबर्ग की हज़ीर वादी में मैच खेला जा रहा है। आज बड़ा सुंदर मैच, दवा वाला मैच, सेमीफाइनल। जो आज मैच जीतेगा वो YCC याल के साथ कल 2-2 हाथ करेंगे फाइनल में। अगर याल की बात की जाए तो जोर यहाँ पर मैच देखने के लिए आया जोर भाई एंड खाकी एजाज की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम। इस टूर्नामेंट में 3 सेंचुरी खाकी के नाम। ऊपर आसमान पर बादल, नीचे रॉयल पर बादल मर रहा था इस बार। पैसा वसूल मैच यहाँ पर चलता हुआ। राजा के हाथ में गेंद थमाई, नदीम भाई ने भरोसा जताया राजा पर। आज सबके नजदीक कैसेटार पर है, कैसेटार पर नजर है। 108 लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट 15 ओवर प्रगति पर। अगर कैसेटार की बात करें 19 ओवर में 29 रन, 2 चौके और 3 बड़े छक्के। कैसर की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम। कुछ बैटर्स बिलाल ने नाराज किया, इशफाक ने नाराज किया, जयडार ने नाराज किया अपने कैप्टन को। ऊपर आसमान पर बादल, नीचे रॉयल पर बादल, थोड़ी सी मात्रा हुए। आज के जो अंपायर है मिस्टर शरीफुद्दीन शेरा। राजा चले अपनी बॉलिंग मार्ग पर, लंबा सा रन दौड़ना शुरू किया। सामने के लिए कैसे दौड़ के अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की मारा, गेंद को बल्ले की खर्चा रन आधा दर्जन, बल्ले की दूरी, छक्के मंजूरी। गजब की छक्का कैसे डर के बल्ले से आग उगलता हुआ कैसे डर का बल्ला। 114 लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट्स, कैसा डार का बल्ला आग उगलता हुआ यहाँ पर। साथ तमाशगीर खामोश है, कहां पर मैच कल और बदल जाएगी। ये क्रिकेट अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है। हॉकी डांस, क्रिकेट चांस, कैच पकड़ो मैच जुड़ो, तब तक कुछ नहीं करता जब तक आखिरी गेंद ना हो। मैंने पहले कहा क्रिकेट अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है, कभी इस तरफ कभी उस तरफ। बड़ा मुकाबला, जो आज मैच जीतेगा कल या YCC याल के साथ 2-2 हाथ करेगी। चारों खाने चित्त। राजा अपनी बॉलिंग मार्ग पर, सामना करेंगे कैसा डार। राजा अपनी बॉलिंग मार्ग पर, राजा अपनी बॉलिंग में सामना करेंगे कैसा डार। गेंदबाज चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की और डिफेंस किया वहां पर 1 रन के लिए। बेटा हेलमेट हो गया, हेलमेट था, हेलमेट। 115 लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट, 15 ओवर प्रगति पर। पैसा वसूल मैच यहाँ पर चलता हुआ। जिन्हें सामना करेंगे राजा का, राजा की कोड़ा का आखिरी ओवर। राजा ने 3 ओवर 2 गेंदें 38 रन, कोई सफलता उनके हाथ नहीं लगी। बॉल 2 रन। राजा चले फिर से अपनी बॉलिंग मार पर, सामना करेंगे जुनैद। राजा चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की और गेंद को निकाला लेग साइड में। गलत फील्डिंग वहां पर, रन था मगर लेने से मना किया कैसाडार ने। 115 7 विकेट लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट। पैसा वसूल मैच यहाँ चलता हुआ। चलो तलबा के खूबसूरत ग्राउंड में T20 सुपर कार एडिशन 3rd का सेमीफाइनल। जो आज मैच जीतेगी कल YCC याल के साथ 2-2 हाथ करके फाइनल में। 12 चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के आए, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की इस बार का निकाला लेफ्ट साइड में। वहाँ यासनो के भी 1 रन का मुजाहरा वहां पर थ्रो लगा था मगर बाल बच गए वहां कैसर। 116 लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट, 15 ओवर प्रगति पर। कैसेटार की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम। 21 गेंदों का सामना किया, 36 रन और 4 बड़े छक्के और 2 छक्के कैसेटार के नाम से। सजादार ने आज नाराज किया, कैसेटार बड़ा हुआ प्लेयर आज मजा हुआ। इशफाक ने नाराज किया, जावेदार ने नाराज किया, कैसेटार के बगैर कोई सब खिलाड़ियों ने नाराज किया। कहे तो क्या करे, इस बड़े मुकाबले में धमाका मैच तो है, बड़ा मैच भी मैच यहाँ पर T20 सुपर कप एडिशन 3rd। अगर बात की का तमाशगीरों की तो सब खामोश यहाँ बैठे हुए चुप करके और हर दुश्मन के किस तरह करवट बदल सकती है मैच का। कौन बिटेगा कल YCC की याल के साथ। थैंक यू हमसे ज्यादा अनस बिन बिलाल, मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल चैनल का ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो। ठोको ताली इस मैच के लिए, जबरदस्त पैसा वसूल मैच। तलवार के खिलाड़ी में T20 सुपर कार एडिशन 3rd का सेमीफाइनल। कैसाडार की जितनी तारीफ की, अगर जब तक कैसाडार क्रीज पर है तब तक कुछ नहीं कहा सकता। कैसर पर निगाहें, सबकी निगाहें कैसाडार पर जमी हुई है। राजा चले फिर से अपनी बॉलिंग मार्ग पर, दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के आए, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की फुटास गेंद निकाला लेग साइड में वहां और एक चौका बचाया वहां पर खिलाड़ी ने। बढ़िया फील्डिंग, अपने टीम के लिए 3 रन बचाए। 116 लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट, हाई वोल्टेज मैच चलता हुआ यहाँ पर। सबके निगाहें कैसाडार पर। इक्कीस गेंदें 70 रन चाहिए अगर चुकर कोई मैच जीतना होगा। कैसे डार को लंबी इनिंग खेलनी होगी। जिन्हें चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की निकाला, गेंद को वहां साइड में चौका और एक चौका बल्ले से, जुनैद के बल्ले से चौका और एक चौका। 30 गेंदों में चाहिए
So short.
66 रन चाहिए 30 गेंदों में 66 शॉट थर्ड बॉल शॉट पैसा वसूल मैच हाई वोल्ट में तुलबा के स्टेडियम में आज जो मैच जीतेगा कल याल के साथ 2-2 हाथ करेंगे फाइनल में दबाव वाला तो चक्सरी के जो खेमा है वह यहाँ पर आए मैच देखने के लिए यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग मैच देखते खामोश है क्रिकेट अनिश्चितताओं का है खेल है कुछ भी नहीं कह सकते जब तक आखिरी गेंद ना हो कैच पकड़ो मैच जीतो हाकी डानस क्रिकेट चैनल्स जब तक आखिरी गेंद तब तक 121 7 विकेट 16 ओवर प्रगति पर कैसे डाल पर काफी भरोसा है अपनी टीम को 32 गेंदों का 22 गेंद 37 रन 4 छक्के और 2 चौके मोहम्मद बिन अनस इस चैनल का नाम है ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो लाइक करो कमेंट करो टी20 सुपर कप आर्ट्स थर्ड का सेमीफाइनल मुकाबला घमासान मुकाबला पैसा वसूल मुकाबला यहाँ पर चलता हुआ पैसा वसूल मैच सबके निगाहें कैसा डार पर चलता हुआ कैसा डार ने 25 गेंदों का सामना किया 37 रन 4 बड़े छक्के और 2 चौके कैसा पर निगाहें क्रिकेट अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है जब तक आखिरी गेंद हो तब तक कुछ नहीं कहा सकता है हाकी डानस क्रिकेट चैनल कैश पकड़ो मैच जीतो पैसा वसूल मैच यहाँ पर तुलबाग में चलता हुआ नजीर चले सामना करेंगे कैसा डार बेटा नजर था बेटा नजीर चले सामना करेंगे कैसा डार दौड़ना शुरू किया दौड़ के अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की निकाला गया तो दूरी 6 के मंजूरी गजब की छक्का बल्ले की आवाज सुनो 6 का ये फरमान सुनो ठोको ताली जबरदस्त मैच यहाँ पर चलता हुआ जबरदस्त मैच चलता हुआ यहाँ पर कैसे डाल की जितनी तरह 23 गेंदों का सामना किया 43 रन 5 छक्के और 2 चौके अगर कैसर की बात की जाए तो कैसर पे निगाहें शादुशला की बड़े लिंग बिखरती हुई थी कैसर रहे आज कैसर ने दिखाया कि मैं बैट्समैन हूँ यहाँ पर
और टाइम
नजीर चले दौड़ना शुरू किया दौड़ चले अब देखना नजीर क्या करके इस गेंद पर आपको क्रॉस किया गेंद की कट किया गेंद को गेंद की दंदना दी उसमें 4 रन के लिए कैसर के बॉलर से और एक चौका अगर कैसर की बात पैसा वसूल 131 7 विकेट 16 ओवर प्रगति पर अगर कैसे की बात की जाए तो मोबाइल दोनों शुगर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की निकाला गेंद को फिर से आप साइड में जबरदस्त चौका और एक चौका करते की बल्ले से जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम कैसर की पैसा वसूल नहीं यहाँ पर चलता हुआ
Ocean giran. क्या करा? हम टाइम आकर जाए Now 52 in 27 deliveries. Kaisar Dar, he is on 51. This is very well knocked play by the batsman Kaisar Dar. 25 deliveries, 51 runs. Adil Nazir, he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar Dar. Oh, here's a chance of a catch, but this is no man's land. The two batsmen take 2 runs. Very good running between the wickets by the two batsmen Kaisar Dar and Junaid. The score moves to 139 for the loss of 7. तारीफ करनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज कैसर डार की ही इज ऑन 53 in 26 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 5 6. This is again Adil Nazir to the batsman Kaisar. Oh, रन बनाता हुआ सीमा लेकर से 6 रन. This is a great shot played by the batsman Kaisar Dar. था देनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज कैसर डार की. He is a one-man army. Chukkar Royals, they are now in good position here. This is again Adil Nazir. Oh, again good shot played by the batsman. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन कैसर ठार के बल्ले से. Now 46 in 25 deliveries. Kaisar Dar, he moves to 57 in 27 deliveries. This is a great evening by this batsman Kaisar Dar. He moves to 57. This is Adil Nadir again to the batsman Kaisar. The team who win this match, they will qualify for the finals. Tomorrow the big day, final day of this T20 Super Cup. This again Adil Nadir. Oh! There is a good bowling by the end of Kaisar Dar. Hardik Shura, they are very good comeback. The wicket of Kaisar Dar, big wicket. But तारीफ करनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज की, एक अच्छी नाक खेली, but at the end he lost his wicket. This is great bowling by Adil Nadir. He take the big wicket of Kaisar Dar. एक अच्छी नाक यहाँ पे Kaisar Dar ने खेली. Now Chukar Royals, they lost their 8th wicket in the shape of Kaisar Dar. एक बड़ा विकेट छटकाया यहाँ पे बॉलर आदिल नजीर ने. This is the big wicket of Kaisar Dar. Now again good comeback by Hardik Shura. Red Capers, they need only 2 wickets to win this match to qualify in the finals. This is the end of Kaisar Dar, the big wicket. Now again Hardik Shura, Red Capers, they are in the driving seat now. They need 2 wickets to win this match to qualify in the finals. But this is good knock played by the batsman Kaisar Dar. 57 in 28 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 6 U6. So this is end of Kaisar Dar. Good knock evening. Now Chukar Royals, they need 46 in 24 deliveries. And Hardik Shura, Red Caps, they need 2 wickets to win this match to qualify in the finals. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, बड़ा मैच का, सेमीफाइनल्स का घर बैठे मजा लें. दिस इज अगेन द न्यू बैट्समैन इज अल्ताफ. Oh, Lala. So this is a good comeback by the bowler Adil Nazir. He takes the wicket off, big wicket off Kaisar Dar. The new batsman is Altaf. This is artillery. No run. Score remains on 141 for the loss of 8. Junaid, he's on 6. Altaf, he's on non-strike, and Adil Hamid, he's on his 4th over. He takes 2 crucial wickets. This is great bowling by Adil Hamid. He's on his 4th over to the batsman Junaid. Chukar Royals, they need 46. Oh, again, good delivery, very good delivery. Beat the batsman. Shahrukh Khan ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज Junaid को. This is great delivery by Adil Hamid. No run. Score remains on 141 for the loss of 6-8. This is a very well knocked play today by Kaisar Dar, but he lost his wicket. Great bowling by Adil Nazir. This is Adil Hamid again to the batsman Junaid. Oh, again good delivery, beat the batsman. The batsman wants to hit this ball, but तारीफ करनी होगी यहाँ पे गेंदबाज आदिल हमीद की. Hard delivery, no run. Score remains on 141 for the loss of 8. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए which team will qualify in the finals. Tomorrow the big day, final day, Sunday, fun day. Final with YCC Yal versus the team who qualify for finals in this match. This is wide given by the umpire. The score moves to 142 for the loss of 8. This is Adil Hamid again to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is a great delivery again, but the 2 batsmen take only a single. Now 44 in 21 deliveries, 20 deliveries. The team who win this match, they will also qualify in the finals of this T20 Super Cup. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए which team will qualify in the finals. This is again Adil Hamid to the batsman Altaf. Oh, full toss delivery. Dot delivery, no run. आज खचाखच भरा हुआ है मैदान अपने अपने टीम्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. साहित्य जी Okay, signal was calm shy. This is again Adil Hamid to the batsman Altaf. Oh, again good delivery, dot delivery. This is end of 17 overs. The score on board is 143 for the loss of 8. Now 44 in 18 deliveries, and they have 2 wickets in hand. Thank you Sahil Hussain Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस live broadcast में जुड़ने के लिए. Now 3 overs are remaining. 44 runs to win this match to qualify in the finals. And Hardashura Red Capers, they need 2 wickets to win this match to qualify in the finals. Now Umar Hamid. Oh, this is a great delivery, dart delivery. No run score remains on 143 for the last of it. This is Umar Hamid again to the batsman Junaid. He's on 7. Oh, this is again good delivery. This is well knocked to the played by Kaisar Dar, but he lost his wicket. At the end, the 2 batsmen Junaid and Altaf, they have 2 runs partnership in 8 deliveries. This is good comeback by the bowlers of Red Capers Hardashura. This again Umar Hamid to the batsman. The 2 batsmen take only a single. यहाँ पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इन सिंगलों से because they need 42 runs in 14 deliveries. Umar again, here's a chance of a catch. Oh, this is end of 9th wicket. Now Hardashura Red Capers, they need only 1 wicket to win this match to qualify in the finals of this T20 Super Cup. Will play tomorrow against the YCC Yal. This is a great catch at the end by the fielder Umar Hamid. He takes his 2nd wicket in his 4th over. Only 29 runs in his bowling. This is a Chukar Riders. They need 43 in 14 deliveries and they have lost a pair on. Now Shaukat is the new batsman. Umar Hamid. Mana kerja? Lala mana kerja? New bari mas, new guy mas. Tadi tu guide mas. Itu saya guide mas. So this is the last affair. Very good delivery. Oh, here is a chance of a wicket, but very good bowling by Umar Hamid. He takes 2 wickets. This is the last over of Umar Hamid. Chukar Riders, they need 43 runs. And Hardashura Red Capers, they need only 1 wicket to win this match to qualify in the finals. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Hardashura Red Capers. They take early wickets. Only 1 batsman, Kaisar Dark, plays very well. This is Umar Hamid again to the batsman Shaukat. Dot delivery. No runs score remains on 144. 13 deliveries, 43 runs. And they have only 1 wicket in hand. Hardashura Red Capers, they need only 1 wicket to win this match. Oh, this is a good delivery. Dot delivery, no run. Hardashura, they need only 1 wicket to win this match to qualify in the finals. They will play tomorrow against YCC Yal. Tomorrow, the big day, final day of this T20 Super Cup. YCC Yal versus the team who qualify in the finals. This is again Adil Hamid. Oh, this is a dot delivery again. Now 10 deliveries are remaining in this inning. Hardashura, they are in driving seat. They need only 1 wicket to win this match to qualify in the finals. Oh, here is chance of a catch. This is a no man's land. That two. Now they need only 1 wicket to win this match. Here was the chance of a wicket, but the fielders cannot take this catch. This is again Asif Hamid. Oh, this is big shot played by the batsman. Ball raised the boundary for 6. They need now 37 in 8 deliveries. Engineer Danish Tele, thank you. Kaisar ne challa. Thank you, Engineer Danish for joining us. थैंक यू आप सभी का इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में सुनने के लिए. दिस इज हाई वोल्टेज मैच पार्ट. दिस इज ग्रेट बॉलिंग बाय Hardashura Red Caps. They take early wickets. Now they need only 1 wicket to win this match. Oh, this is win for Hardashura Red Caps. They qualify in the finals. Very well bowling by the bowlers of Hardashura Red Caps. So this is the winning moment here. Congratulations for Hardashura Red Caps. They qualify for finals. This is very great bowling by the bowlers of Red Caps. So these are the winning moments. Here, very good bowling. Naeem. Oh, come down, you come down. So this is a win for Hardashura. They qualify in the finals tomorrow. The final between YCC Yal versus Hardashura Red Caps. Captain. Naeem, captain. Captain. So this is congratulations from my side to Hardashura. They qualify for the finals in this T20 Super Cup. Tomorrow the big match, final match of this T20 Super Cup. YCC Yal versus Hardashura Red Caps. So this is the man of the match today. Very well locked by Muzaffar Raja. 77 runs in 34 deliveries. This is today's man of the match. Some important points.
पहले मुबारकबाद. आपने बड़ा मैच था. जब कैसा डर क्रूज पर था, उन्होंने तुम्हारी टीम को बेकार कर दी. क्या चला था मन में उस वक्त? क्या फाइनल में आप पहुंच जाएंगे? क्या मन में चला? क्योंकि मोदी साहब ने गलत बॉलिंग की वहाँ पर. बस इतना सवाल.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. पहले तो अल्लाह ताला का
इसके बाद ठोको ताली. पहले फाइनल में
हमें फाइनल में दिया
This is end of this live broadcast, end of this match. Tomorrow, the big match, final match between YCC Yal versus Hardashura Red Caps.